Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept a character matrix of size r cross c and a string s as input. Then the program must replace the order of matrix by yes and print the matrix. So we'll take our first test case. So here they have given 4 cross 5 matrix, that is row is equal to 4 and column is equal to 5, and this is our matrix and the string is queen bee. Now initially we'll have the variables row and column to be 0 comma 0 zeros. Then after that we'll get this string, we'll iterate over the string for val in yes. Now if the matrix contains the val means, that is the matrix of row column is equal to val means. Now we'll give our conditions, that is if the row is equal to 0 and column is less than c minus 1, then the column should be incremented by 1. So this is our first row. So if it's equal to 0 and the column is c minus 1 means we have to increment the column by 1. And now for the clear understanding, we'll explain with that test case. So here you can see the row is equal to 0. So it will be replaced accordingly. So the column will become 1 and here the column will become 2 and here the column will become, so we will replace it, that is queen. Then here the column will be incremented and here it will be replaced with e. Then after that, this for this element it is equal to c minus 1. So we'll have another condition for that, that is if column is equal to c minus 1 and row is less than r minus 1 means we have to increment the row. So this will be replaced with n as it is equal to c minus 1 and the row is less than r minus 1. So the row will be incremented to 1. So this will be n. Then for these elements, the L and Q will be replaced as it is row is less than r minus 1. So the row will be incremented and it will be replaced with B and here it is E. So for this element 2, it is equal to r minus 1. So for that we'll have another condition, that is L if row is equal to r minus 1 and column is greater than 0 means the column should be decremented by 1. So this 2 will be replaced with E, and the column will be decremented by 1. Now we have got the queen B, so this will be our output. Now we'll take our second test case. So in second test case, we have 3 rows and 3 columns and 3 columns. So first initially we'll have the row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0. Now we'll take our test case. So here the first row is equal to 0. So again we'll write for our convenience. Then you can see the first row is equal to 0. So it will be incremented by, column will be incremented by 1, and it will be replaced with the elements of the string yes, that is D at, and so when you see these elements, these are equal to C minus 1, so it will be replaced with dollar and Z. Then the row will be incremented by 2. Then after that, here you can see it is equal to R minus 1, so it will be replaced, and column will be decremented by 2. So this will be elif will have the column is equal to 0 and the row is greater than 0, means the row should be incremented by 1. So here we'll change, that is we'll replace, and the row will be, it will be decremented by 1. So this will be our output of the program. Let us implement our program. First we'll get the number of rows and columns. Dot split off. Then we'll get our matrix. For CTR in range R. Then we'll get the input string yes. Then after that we'll have the variables row and column as 0, 0. Then for ch in yes, the matrix of row and column is equal to ch if the row is equal to 0 and column is less than c minus 1, means the column should be incremented by 1. If the row is equal to r minus 1 and column greater than 0, means the column should be decremented by 1. If column is equal to c minus 1 and row is equal to, the row is less than r minus 1, means the row should be incremented by 1. If the column should equal to 0 and row greater than 0, means the row should be decremented by 1. So at last we'll iterate over the val in matrix and we'll print asterisk val. So now let us execute our program. So we'll pass our first test case. So here we have got the correct output, as you can see. Then we'll pass our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output. Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.